The disputes at the Sibiya homestead started years ago when the elders of the family were still alive, hence now the family cannot see eye to eye. It is said that one of the women who was married at the homestead, after her husband passed away, she then married another one. According to Mzwandile Sibiya, he stated that the woman does not want them at their home, hence in the year 2014 when their brother passed away, it is said she started showing that she did not want them living at their forefathers' land. Nkosi Mpila Sibiya said when their grandmother passed away, she gave each one of them land.
But mage uyasambe uyakhumula benguna nalo tsatsewe unachuwe banibani naye usambela ngemabele labaleni phela
angamilisi ngisore ngowe ngoya uqalile mina ngiphethe ifosholo ngigciba lapha uthi uqhamuke kuphi angimazi ukuthi uqhamuke kuphi amuka wangifuqa uthi ngiwena imphasi ke angathi sabambana ke kusukela lapho ngiyale nayo lana ngimhana sketch ngizomatana ngithi phela ngizama nami ukulungisa indlela babe ngibakele izandla mamkhulu akafuna uthasi kamsheli yena ngithi hawu wani wena uyalima asikubangisi suke sithulile futhi
wethu wasilakashona washona wonke umumfu la khaya kulabamfa bakhe ababele wayena lo bekakhuluma Mzwandile babo wakhe bamkhombisa ekhaya lakhe wabakhela emalawula amabili ngana ukuthi bafana balaba ngithu waseke la khaya lelikhulu la kagogo
la khaya sonke sanikwa insimu sisefika sebo makoti zanikwa kuthiwa nayi yakho babo wabo wathengisa onke masimu kwabade masimu bathula labantu abakhe bangede bakhuluma lutho ukuthi kumbe ba-accuse babo wabo ukuthi uya wrong ukuthi ungete walo kanjani ungete ungathengisa amasimu sikhona thina wathatha apho lothi nawo wena
asinawa sibodwe lona lutho
manje yini ke lo ifunayo wena wathatha nawo masimu lawo
sona lapho sikhulile wamnika awuzanga amnika lutho gogo
yesikhumbuzo ngoba awudla imali yakhulile la nguyokhulile
Musdal straight, shalo.
Masti.
Kanzinza.
Wena uyenzinza wena unakhaya bakwehlula lokwenza. Wamehlula kwenza lokho lo. Wayotala abantwana asasekhaya.
Utshela ufuna ukudlala ifana.
Ufuna kwenza wena labantu abakubanike example lethini nje nya.
Nendvotsana ya wena.
Example lethini lena thina sawuvumela indvodza ithose salikhala emkhulu wethu. Ngeke. Ngeke.
Umhlaba sakufuna sathina siqaphatha
simntu. Umntaba wathi ukuthi wena usigebengu vele webalikhaya ke lebantu ngase bafika. Wamba utshela labantu ukuthi inangu lana bafa bonke kwasala wena. Sebabulawa yini bona lebe bafa? Naye lokuvuka umbuto sebabulawa yini lebe bafa. Nangabe bafa bonke phela kwakuqala lokufikile. Wasala njani wena?
Reporting for Maswati channel, I am Nohla Twala with Justice Lamin at Mbekwakhe.